Hi there, my name's Ian.
And I'm Caroline, and we're your Life Nomading New York City walking tour guides.
And we've traveled the country, and our favorite thing to do is take free walking tours. It's a way to really centralize yourself with your new destination and start to learn a little bit more about the history and the culture of where you're going to spend the next week to however long you're there.
But one thing that we found was missing in all of these walking tours was the personal touch of a passionate resident.
The Statue of Liberty, the Financial District, Times Square, those are all things we think you should see. But we want to give you another side of the apple.
We want to give you a real New Yorker's guide to New York, and that's why we're making a tour of the Upper West Side. The Upper West Side is home to Lincoln Center, Riverside Park, Jazz, and an irresistibly charming community.
Now, what you won't find on one of our tours is we're not going to be holding up signs, we're not going to be wearing crazy colors, and we're not going to make you do anything special.
We also cap our tours at just 15 people. We want to give you a real New York experience, and we want to get to know you. So if you have a question, speak up, and your voice will be heard.
And we mean it. Not only questions about our tours, but any questions you have leading up to your trip to New York City. Maybe questions about the subway or something like that. We're happy to help. Just send us a message.
Our tours are also completely free. You pay what you think the value is after the tour is over.
So if you want to see how residents live and learn some history that you're not going to learn anywhere else in the city, join us on an Upper West Side tour.
You can check out our calendar below and reserve a time that works for you.
We look forward to seeing you in the city. See ya!